Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. Kids, let us continue our class about number names from 130 to 140. So let us start our class. 131 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 1 ONE 131 132 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 2 TWO 132 133 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 3 THREE 133 134 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 4 FOUR 134 135 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 5 FIVE 135 136 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 36 SIX 136 137 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7 137 138 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8 138 139 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 THIRTY 30 NINE 9 139 and 140 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 FORTY 40 140. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.